At Apex Waves, we're always exploring ways to keep legacy hardware running in modern environments. In this video, our technician walks you through how we successfully installed Ubuntu Linux on a National Instruments PXIe controller and configured it for use with NI drivers and utilities. The first step is to confirm that your PXI controller supports a 64-bit operating system. Most modern PXI and PXIe controllers do, but if you're working with legacy hardware, it's always best to check your model's datasheet on the NI website or the Apex Waves product page. Once confirmed, the technician creates a bootable USB drive containing the Linux distribution of choice, in this case, Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Other distributions like Debian or Fedora can also work depending on your application requirements. Next, they enter the BIOS by pressing F10 or delete during startup, depending on the controller model. Here, it's important to set the USB device as the primary boot option and disable any secure boot or PXE network boot settings that might interfere with installation. After saving the changes, the PXI controller reboots and loads into the Linux installation interface. From there, the process looks just like installing Linux on any standard PC. During installation, you can choose your language, accessibility options, and keyboard layout. You will then connect to the internet and then choose your options of the type of installation you are wanting to do. It will then prompt you to create an account and select your time zone. Then choose Restart for the installation to complete. Once the operating system was up and running, the next step was downloading and installing the NI Linux device drivers package from National Instruments. You can find this package on NI's official support page at ni.com/support/downloads/drivers, or by following the direct link in the video description below. After downloading the .deb file, we navigated to the downloads directory where it was stored. To install the driver package, we used the command sudo dpkg-ifilename.deb. For this step, we discovered we needed root privileges to proceed. So we entered sudo su. This switched us to the root user, allowing the installation to complete successfully. Once the device drivers were installed, we updated the package lists and upgraded any dependencies by running sudo apt install NI-HWC FG-utility. Finally, we installed the NI-DAQmx driver to enable communication with PXI modules and measurement devices. Sudo apt install NI-DAQmx. Once installation was complete, we verified everything by launching the hardware configuration utility, confirming that the PXIe chassis and modules were properly detected under Linux. The NI hardware configuration utility on Linux offers several powerful tools to help manage and maintain your PXIe system. From within the utility, you can easily reset your devices to restore default settings, perform self-tests to verify module functionality, and run self-calibration routines to ensure accuracy across your hardware. These built-in features help confirm that your PXIe system is communicating correctly and operating within specification. Beyond diagnostics, the hardware configuration utility also provides quick access to system configuration, resource mapping, and driver information, making it a central hub for maintaining and optimizing your setup under Linux. This concludes today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for legacy NI parts, calibration services, or more technical resources, head on over to apexwaves.com to get what you need fast. We have thousands of NI parts in stock and ready to ship, including legacy and obsolete modules you won't find anywhere else. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.